My name is Vivash Tiwari, and on behalf of Imla Devi Public School Siliari, I welcome you all. For my class 10th students, CG board, the exam is going to start from 3rd of March. Now we have very few days remaining for the preparation of your examination. Without wasting your time, I understand you people have a lot of study material to revise. Here for your For you, I have prepared a list of MCQ questions. First, listen carefully. Multiple choice questions. There will be three types. Multi option question. Choose the right option and fill in the blanks, and also match the column. Here, I have prepared a list of all these three types of questions. You can revise in this first video lesson. We will revise the choose the correct answer. Multiple choice question A. Total there will be 15 marks of MCQ questions, and this is very important for you to practice. Without wasting your time, let's start. And one more thing, get ready with pen and paper, use your headphone, and I will just to save the time, I will read the question and answer only. And one suggestion, कंप्लीट योर प्रिपरेशन अलोंग विथ मी. क्या करेंगे आप? मेरे साथ आप पूरा रिवीजन कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. कल के लिए या बाद के लिए मत छोड़ना. ये मत सोचना कि चलो अभी वीडियो देख लेते हैं और उसके बाद हम फिर से रिवाइज करेंगे. नहीं, एक बार आप कंप्लीट कर लीजिए. ये थोड़ा सा वीडियो भले ही लंबा होगा, उसके बाद आप फास्ट जो है 10 से 15 मिनट में रिवीजन करते जाएंगे. राइट, डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. रिवीजन मेरे साथ ही करेंगे. गेट रेडी विथ पेन एंड पेपर. और यदि आपको स्पीड फास्ट लगे तो स्लो कर सकते हैं लिखने के लिए, और यदि मान लो स्लो लगे तो आप स्पीड को फास्ट कर सकते हैं. स्टार्ट. और यदि आंसर्स में किसी प्रकार का कंफ्यूजन है या आपको लगता है कि ये आंसर नहीं होना चाहिए, तो यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट विथ योर टीचर. राइट, उसमें आप अपने टीचर से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन 1. स्टेटमेंट फॉरेस्ट इज रिन्यूएबल सोर्स कॉज एज मच एज यू कट द फॉरेस्ट दैट मच फॉरेस्ट ग्रोज बाय इटसेल्फ. ओनली स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. हियर ओनली स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. फॉरेस्ट इज रिन्यूएबल सोर्स. इसमें कहीं पे भी आंसर जो है एक दूसरे से कुछ अलग आंसर हो सकते हैं. इसमें अपने अपने अंडरस्टैंडिंग के बेस पे है. राइट, आंसर ओनली स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. इन इंडिया, इन विच सीजन मोस्ट ऑफ द क्रॉप्स आर सोन? खरीफ. द बिगेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ इंक्रीज इन गवर्नमेंट इनकम इज टैक्स. द मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट ऑफ राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन इज टू स्टॉप करप्शन. The first president and the revolutionary leader of Vietnam was Ho Chi Minh. Treaty of Nations held in 1882. Russian Sansad was called Duma. The dictator of fascism in Italy was Mussolini. Nasir is related to non-alignment. Out of this, which does not determine resources, that is values. Here we have options utility, quantity and none. Here utility and quantity determine resources, but values doesn't determine resources. Okay. Which crop is increased by green revolution? Wheat. Most active class is youth. Which country has better development? Sri Lanka. Rate of interest is more in fixed deposit. Direct tax is, here answer is none. Entertainment tax, sales tax and service tax, they are indirect tax. How many sections are there in Indian Constitution? 395. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Vice President. It is in Panchshil, that is peaceful coexistence. The main function of political parties in Lok Sabha election. The aim of peace movement. Here option right answer is all. The aim of peace movement is to stop war, ban on atomic weapons and disarmament. Statement: iron ore was not a resource in the early Stone Age region. There is no evidence of its use during the Stone Age. Here, both the region and statement are correct. Statement: there is no need for water conservation. Region: rainwater recharges groundwater. Here only the region is correct. Rainwater recharges groundwater. Because this statement is wrong, there is need for water conservation. Statement: forests are a renewable resources. Region: forest regenerate felled areas. Here it is the repeated question. Only the statement is correct. Forests are a renewable resources. Assume there are 5 families in a group. The average per capita income of the group is rupees 4,000. In 2 years' time, the average per year income is rupees 5,000. Here, the income of each person in the group has increased. The government provides electricity because for public welfare. In India, in which agriculture season is most of the land form, it is Kharif. The Kharif season begins with the onset of summer. Onset means starting. What effect does prolonged use of chemical fertilizers have on soil fertility? It is decreased. Soil fertility decrease with the prolonged use of chemical fertilizer. केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर का उपयोग बहुत ज़्यादा करेंगे लंबे समय के लिए, प्रोलॉन्ग यूज, तो फिर सॉइल फर्टिलिटी यानी भूमि की उर्वरता जो है वह कम हो जाती है. The production of which crop has increased the most over the last 60 years? It is wheat. In India, paddy can be cultivated only on Kharif. The Central Bank of Government of India is Reserve Bank of India. This is a form of money today, that is bank saving account. This is not a part of institutional credit, it is trader, bank, cooperative society, they are institutional credit. The number of days of employment guaranteed under Manrega is 100 days. The government's biggest revenue source is taxes. It contains the government's income and expenditure statement, that is budget. ये आपका 2 marks question में अगर आएगा, you can write this answer. The central budget is approved by parliament. Direct taxes include here entertainment tax, sales tax and service tax. It is a repeated question. None of these it is the answer, because all these they are indirect taxes. Which of these is not an example of public facilities? That is car. You can see the answer, options, other options also. Just to save the time, I am going to very fast. In India, a person doesn't have the right to vote if he or she is declared ineligible to vote by a court. Who played a key role in changing the law in the Nirbhaya case to make minors aged above 16 years liable to be tried and sentenced as adults and not as juvenile for committing heinous sex crime. Heinous मतलब बहुत बुरा, right? बहुत 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 ज़्यादा भयानक, horrible. It is people's movement. Which constitutional amendment lowered the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? That is 61st. Women's representation in the Indian Parliament was the highest in 2013. The number of seats reserved for scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha is 84. 33% to 50% seats are reserved for women in the local bodies. Which instance was the government? In which instance was the government pressurized by the highly charged media campaign to change the law to make minor aged above 16 years liable to be tried as an adult? Nirbhaya case. The primary official medium for people's participation in a democracy is election. The main activity of a political party in a democracy is creating public opinion. Which option among the following comes under occupational pressure group, that is doctors, teachers, employment and official group? Niyamgiri is a mountain. The Niyamgiri movement was not a political movement. The right to information movement began to expose corruption. The main objective of the peace movement is all these reasons. It is the correct answer, because the main objective of the peace movement is to stop war, abolish nuclear weapons, and disarmament. The following was done to protect the Niyamgiri Dongar. Public opinion was sought through a public vote. Which type of corruption was not occurring in Rajasthan? That is building constructed only on paper. Right? Here you can see the other options also to make clear what is the right answer. Which was not part of the Niyamgiri project, that is wildlife conservation based on the environment. Which Satyagraha did the Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan successfully carry out? Answer is public hearing and exposure of corruption in a people's court in the Gram Sabha. The peace movement for disarmament began with the destruction of Hiroshima and Nagasaki by nuclear bombs. The main purpose of disarmament for peace was to maintain peace and development. What is endosulfan? It is a pesticide. Anand of Gujarat is famous for milk dairy, dairy. Base of Indian economy is agriculture. Cold War due to stress and tension between the two nations, that is America and USSR. In an ideal parliament, percentage of women member should be 33%. Which is not non-living physical resource, that is fish. It is the non-living physical resource. याद रखना. Which of these is a non-living? Fish is a living physical resource. Okay. It is the Central Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India. Who was the leader of the National Socialist Workers Party? Hitler. The first president of Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh. It is repeated also. Some public participation is essential in democracy. It is voting. It is not included institutional credit traders. The year of economic depression in the world, 1929. Mineral famous as atomic mineral uranium and thorium. Maximum advantage get by right to information in checking corruption. Facility of electricity provided by the government for public welfare. When was the serfdom system abolished? In 1861. Serfdom system abolished 1861. The biggest source of increase in government income is tax. It is essential for the end of colonialism, nationalist movement. देखिए जैसे ये क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन वाज द सर्वडम सिस्टम एबॉलिश? 1861. ये पूरे जितने भी हैं, हम जब लेसन कंप्लीट किए हैं तो हमको पढ़ाए थे हम आपको, राइट, कि दास प्रथा कब खत्म हुई थी? 1861 में, राइट. तो ये पूरे आप इसको बुक से भी रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. नियमगिरी इज अ माउंटेन. So this is the end of your multiple choice question. In the next video lesson, I will continue with your fill in the blanks. And the next video lesson, we will practice here your match the column. So here you can see, मैं एक बार फिर से धीरे से आप इसको, right? Okay, something went wrong. Sorry, I'm not so much technically expert, okay? So I'm going to scroll down very slowly. You can see it. And you can use your pause button also, or you can control the speed. 26 to 31, 32 to 38, 39 to 41, 42 to 48, 49 to 51, 52 to 57, 58 to 64, 65 to 71, 72 to 78, right? So in this way you can revise it. फिर से ऊपर एक बार मैं ले जाता हूँ. अपने हिसाब से आप मैनेज कर लेंगे रिवीजन के लिए. दिस इज अ कंप्लीट लिस्ट. इसके सिवा भी आपको पढ़ना है. ये सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस के लिए है, चेक करने के लिए MCQ क्वेश्चंस का. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेसन वी विल रिवाइज योर fill in the blanks. Okay, till then I say goodbye to you. Work hard, study well, and if you have any question you can ask me, right? So I say goodbye to you.